In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy app not working. So the first thing that you have to check is your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi. You can try turning the Wi-Fi off and then waiting for a few seconds, then turning it on again. Or you could simply turn on your mobile data and use it from there. Now the next thing is simply go to the ESPN Fantasy icon. Click and hold on to it, then go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it, then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache. After that, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN Fantasy Sports. Then check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. Now you can try relaunching Fantasy app, and if it's still not working, then simply click and hold on to the icon, click on uninstall, then confirm it, then download the app again, then log into it. Now, even after all of this, if your Fantasy app is still not working, then what you can do is you can try using it from a website. You can simply open up Chrome in your phone or in your PC, then in the search bar search for ESPN Fantasy Football, then click on the URL, log in and try using it from here. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.